Hey guys, it's Elise, and today we're gonna be swatching some nail polish. Okay, this is the Makartt P-30 gel nail polish. You get 24 polishes, including the top and the base coat gel. I'm not gonna really talk in this video, so yeah, just enjoy the swatches and tell me your favorite color at the end of this video. If you're wondering how I'm doing my swatches, I basically just put some base gel down on top of my little nail box thing that came in the Kiss acrylic set, and then cured it like you would do a nail. And then I put the polish on and then did the top coat and cured it with my lamp that I got from Amazon. So yeah. So these are all our swatches from the P-30 set. I will be showing the P-31 set in a different video. So yeah, thanks for watching.